You're welcome to Fxpg Global Forex Trading Academy. Today is 12th of July 2022. Remember this, building career in Forex trading starts with taking the decision to do all you can against all odds to transform your financial life by efficiently navigating the financial market, just like banks and other financial institutions, through the training and mentorship of Fxpg platform. And today, we'll be looking at the following pairs: dollar index, EURUSD, GPUSD, Gbpjpy, USDCAD, gold, NASDAQ, and US30. And to join our academy, kindly visit fxpreneur.com.ng to get our training from basic, intermediate, advanced, and mentorship course, and as well one-on-one training section with me. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this channel, especially to those who are finding difficulty in trading Forex and those who have blown account before. Also comment if there's any topic or any pair would like us to add to our daily market analysis. Don't forget to click on the notification button or icon so you can get notified anytime we upload content. We do this every day. Let's go straight up to our chart. Okay, let's go straight up to our chart. We'll be starting with dollar index. This is dollar index, and dollar index has been so amazing. And I told us that we're expecting dollar index to lose weight, to lose strength. And as you can see, dollar index has actually done what it should as of yesterday. So they had pushed up to this particular level. And where they are now, this is weekly order block, and this is daily order block. So now they have traded into the daily order block. All right. So we're expecting them to wick down. We want this block now to be mitigated. So that is what we're expecting from here. But let's go to a lower time frame and see if there's something we can see there that validates this expectation. Let's go to 1 hour time frame. We have seen this. It traded into this fair value gap here and remove this particular low to hit this daily order block. All right. So let's go straight to a lower time frame to see if that broken structure low. That's what we have. All right. So it has hit this block. It has not broken structure low. We're expecting this, though we've not gotten it, but we're expecting this to really happen. I would like to see something like this. I'd like to see something like this. Okay, with this previous high, come back down, break a structure, come back here, give us this. This is what I would like to see. This is what I'd like to see. Let's go to higher time frame. Anything that will make this market breaks this structure is what I'm expecting. I would like to see this level taken out. All right, it traded into this particular FVG here and needs to flush this level up. And when that is done, I would like to see a shift back down, breaking of this structure. Then want to see it straight into this level. Then subsequently begin the down flow. That is what I'm expecting to see on dollar index. So let's go straight to another pair, but let's check the higher time frame and see what we're looking at on higher time frame. Okay, this is what I'm expecting. Hours. Next one. Now, if you watch in these 4 hours, there is a fair value gap here. You can use this. The fair value gap here. Let me use this too. Fair value gap. So this is what I want to see. So once it trades into this zone, I would now expect to have at least 50% of the previous retrace of the previous movement back to this level and possibly back again. I would like to see that, and that will be achieved if there is a kind of an FVG when it was coming, when it will be coming down. All right, so that is what I would like to see in this particular pair. Back to 15 minutes, so we can see the chart properly. So let me do that again. That's cleaned. See this. Break of this level. It shifts down. That will take away this liquidity here. Back up, down. So after this is achieved, I would like to see a push back up then to force this further down. So that is what I'm expecting from this pair. Let's go straight to another one, which is EURUSD. We're going straight to EURUSD. And this is 4 hours on EURUSD. We analyzed that this was going to happen yesterday. All right, we anticipated that this needs to come back up here to take away this liquidity, but they gave us a push down and we took it down. All right, so from where it is now, we're actually anticipating a reversal from where it is now, because this is a weekly fair value gap that it has traded into, and this is a weekly order block. So we can go further, refining days, all right, into daily. Okay, into daily. Let's see if I can do something about that right now. So let's see if I can do that right now. This is a weekly OB, so let's refine it to a daily OB. This is actually a daily OB too. So this point is important for them. As you can see, there's a fair value gap here, also in daily, that these markets are traded into. So I'm expecting a reversal on this particular level. Then let's go back down to where the market is and see what we're expecting for today. This is where the market is. So I'm taking this out. This is daily. Let's keep this here for future reference. 4 hours time frame. It's down before this movement down. So what are we expecting here? We're expecting this market to move down and hit the block and give a break of structure to the upside. Then we'll take the trade upside. Was it having this movement down? So we're looking for a continuous movement down. I want to have this. This is actually the destination of this pair. At least we'll have 50% of the retracement level of all these moves that we have seen. I want to have something like this. So this is what I'll be expecting from this particular pair. I would like to see it go down to this level, then break a market structure. All right, once that is done, then I'll look for the upside. So for now, I'll be looking for a buyer to take this trend back down to this level. Then from here, I'll be looking for an uptrend. 1 hour time frame. Do this before once it's London section. I want to have this manipulation, and possibly during New York session, I want to have this reversal. So this is what I'm expecting from this particular pair. New fully that it has traded into what? Into the weekly fair value gap. It's supposed to trade out immediately as it entered into the fair value gap, just as this. As you can see, they are dangling in. That simply means you need to come and hold or tap this particular weekly OB. All right, this weekly is also a daily OB too. So that is what I'm expecting from this particular pair. And I'm going straight up to another pair, which is Gbpusd. Gbpusd, we analyze is going to hit here. Let's go to 4-hour time frame. All right, and let's take out this. Yesterday we analyzed that this market need to watch. They moved this liquidity, then come down, but they did not remove the liquidity. All they did was to start going down. All right, and we caught good move when we saw that they begin to create a kind of fair value gap towards the downside, and we took it down. So here, like I said, our destination is here. So here we can see we'll have what? We'll have the previous week low, which is this level. I told us they need to remove this previous week low yesterday. If you've not watched the video for yesterday, kindly go back and refer to that. Now, they've taken out the previous week low, which is this that we'll have yesterday. And there is no gap both in 4 hours and daily in this place. This is a daily OB. Okay, so this is 4-hour OB. And now with what we have seen here, we actually want to see this guy do what? Do a manipulation down to the downside and give us a reversal here in this particular zone. That is where what we're looking at. So I'm taking out all this drawing. This liquidity is already taken out. This trend line, like I told us yesterday, need to take out that trend line liquidity. And we'll have this. Okay. Based on what we have here, Let's zoom out and see if we can see any block. There's a block here. There's a block. All right. But let's zoom out and see if we can find out the block here is a weekly or daily block. Let's zoom out. Zoom in and see the block. As I said, there's no gap there. Everything has been closed. Now, this is a day, this is a 4 hours order block. It's actually at 4 hours order block. All right, being that this is 4 hours order block, we are certain that they're going to give us a kind of a reversal there after the manipulation. Right, so let's go there. Good. So let's go to lower time frame, like 1 hour. Nice one. Minutes. Nice one. So here we'll have a level, liquidity level here. We'll have liquidity level here. I'd like to see this happen. Take out this liquidity, go up, break the structure, come back down, go up this way. So I want to see that happen. So all the way. That is what I want to see on this pair. Okay, this is what I'm expecting from this particular pair. Mind you, that is 15 minutes. So here's what I'm expecting from this pair. I'll see this happen. And the next thing again is Gbpjpy. It's been performing so amazing. And yesterday we cut this move from here down. So we anticipated this particular movement, but we actually wanted them to hit this particular order block. But they didn't hit that, but when we saw a break of this structure to the downside, reverse. So from here, when it retraced from here, we took entry. From here, we'll grab it. Those who were in the office yesterday with me actually captured this particular move because that was what we used as practical yesterday, and it played out, and we caught good movement there yesterday. So as you can see, this is so amazing. And what are we looking at here? We'll have another block here. I would like to refine this. So I would like to have this happen. I'm taking this out. Here we'll have fair value gap here, which market has traded into it already. It's fair value gap. So I would like to have this. And also here we'll have fair value gap here. So market traded into this fair value gap here, and went up, trade into this up fair value gap to take away this liquidity here. So I would like to have this liquidity removed. Yeah, it traded into this fair value gap, You need to flush this liquidity down to this level, and then give us a breakout structure. If you like, to the upside, we can go with it. You get, then possibly this level. So this is what I would like to see from this pair. This is what I would like to see. I want to see this happen. So, and this is actually what I want to see. Let's go to the next pair. USDCAD. USDCAD has been performing very well. And let's watch what is happening on USDCAD here. This is a daily time frame. This buy side liquidity, and this is fair value gap. Market reading to this fair value gap to flush this buy side liquidity, and that's what we see we're pushing up. So we're looking at pushing to the upside on USDCAD. So we'll have this fair value gap, market pull back at this 50% retracement level. Right, 50% is even more than that. It's about 60 something percent retracement level. Then after which we want to see it go up. So we need to remove the up liquidity, this one that is here, and possibly trade into this other block. Then before we can find our way down. Some person have this as a trend line right now. In what time frame? So we'll have this. Let's go to that time frame. In 1 hour time frame, we'll have break of market to the upside. All right, and we'll have this. Then we'll have this gap here. I would like to see them trade into this gap to flush up. For 5 minutes. So we'll have a block here. So now you see we'll have liquidity level here. All right. And since this market has not really come back, we're looking for a reason to flush up. That is what we're looking for in this particular trade. Let's go to the frame and draw what we're looking at. We're looking at this market doing this for us. I want to see a reason for this buy here. When you get to this level, we'll look for sell. That's what I'm talking about. So anything that will make us to go up is what we're looking for. So we'll have this. So I would like to see them, join them to take away this liquidity to the upside and take away this high. So once it hits here, begin to look for a sell. That is what I'm expecting from this particular pair. And go straight up to that one, which is gold. Gold did exactly as we expected yesterday. As you can see, it has already hit this level. It hits this level. This 4 hours will be, and yes, still coming down. Okay, so we'd like to see a kind of a break of market structure from this level here to go to the upside. Taking out this. Let's go to higher time frame so we can see what gold is actually doing. All right, so this is daily time frame. So it has taken out this trade line liquidity. Okay, trade into this block. So I would like to see a reason for this to go up. Here's what we'll have. See working down. You have to trade with caution here now. You have to trade with caution. You have to trade with caution. So that's what we'll have. We'll have this coming. So what we're actually expecting from this is this. We're expecting this movement down. Then when it comes down, we'd like to see a break of market structure to the upside for us to go long. But for now, to cut a short-term move is going to be short. I'm anticipating that there should be news, right, either on USD to achieve this move up. So this is what I'll be expecting from this pair. Let's go to the next one. NASDAQ. NASDAQ has performed exactly as we analyzed, as you can see. We took this trade yesterday, and yesterday we actually anticipated these guys going up to go and take away those liquidities, but we also saw a break of structure to the downside, so we'll change our bias. It was later on towards evening yesterday I captured this particular move here. I wanted for it to want to pull back into this place, and I cut the move here down to this particular zone. And then now what are we looking at? Let's go to a higher time frame and see what we're looking at. Let's go to 4 hours and see what we're expecting in 4 hours. Okay, I'm still expecting this movement to continue down. This is in a nutshell what I'm actually expecting. But then let's go to a lower time frame to see what we are looking at on lower time frame. 1 hour. Because some persons are not already in this trade. So what do you do to be involved in this particular trade? All you need to do is what you wait for a pullback. Back to this fair value gap to sweep this liquidity. We'll have liquidity resting here. All right. So it can give you a good entry. You wait for a pullback, but if not that, though it's a bit late because they've actually taken off. So, but then you must wait for a discounted price before you think of taking any entry. I'll get to something like this. And I'll take a trade down. So US30, same thing as US30, right? US30 played exactly as we anticipated. It came down to this level there, traded back into this other block here, right? Then down to this level here. We'll have this here. So, and this is the liquidity level. We're expecting this to happen. We'd like to have this. I love taking discounted entries. It was a bit late, but then just the same as the previous one we just analyzed. So let me take out all this. I would like to have something discounted. I'd like to see something like this back to here. I'll get an entry to sell. If it didn't come back, then I'm not selling. All right. So come here. So this is what I'm also expecting from this particular pair. Good. So this is where we draw the curtain for today's analysis. Thank you very much for listening to Fxpg Daily Market Analysis, and ensure you subscribe. And if you would like to take our training, so you can begin to trade professional, just like banks, try to visit our website, written in the description box below. Thank you very much and stay blessed. I remain Godwin Emmanuel.